Multiply 123 by 54 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 4. 4 times 3 is 12. Put 2 in this column and carry 1. 4 times 2 plus the carried 1 is 9. 4 times 1 is 4. The first partial product is 492. Now use the tens digit, 5. Start one place to the left. 5 times 3 is 15. Put 5 in this column and carry 1. 5 times 2 plus the carried 1 is 11. Put 1 in this column and carry 1. 5 times 1 plus the carried 1 is 6. The second partial product is 6,150. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 2 plus 0 is 2. In the tens column, 9 plus 5 is 14. Put 4 in this column and carry 1. In the hundreds column, 4 plus 1 plus the carried 1 is 6. In the thousands column, bring down 6. The product of the whole numbers is 6,642. So 123 times 54 is 6,642.